Today, we're going to make a generator using a ping pong ball. It's a simple yet fascinating project that demonstrates basic principles of electromagnetism. Let's go over the materials you'll need for this project. You should have a ping pong ball, some aluminum foil, a voltage meter, a cutter, and plastic tape. Make sure you have all these items ready before we start. First, we'll use the shell of the ping pong ball and aluminum foil as the stator. Then, we'll use paper and PE tape to form the rotor. It's crucial to assemble these parts correctly to ensure our generator will function. Once everything is assembled, it's time to test our generator. We'll measure the voltage output with the voltage meter. Let's see how much power we've managed to generate with this simple setup. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.